us, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
And even I joined in October, and I have an experience of 17 years of teaching. But since 2018, I had left teaching, and I just came across your ad, and I was wondering, like, I had a good salary, and now I was clueless as to what to do in life. So I thought, I'll join you so that maybe I'll get some guidance as to how to go about it. And I'm very happy joining you because I did get, and now I've got a platform where I can join online teaching for public speaking. And I've joined a small work from home business. So, yes, uh, even I'm part of the money mastery. So I am mastering my money. So I'm very happy.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
And
Ritvika ji, for
definitely,
sharing.
yes, sir. And
Please go ahead.
definitely the emotion, the thought, and everything changed, which brought in a lot of positivity and lot of changes in the relationships. So overall, everything has turned out to be on the good side. So I'm very happy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.